Hi guys, welcome back to Pillars in a Pod. Today's video is a vlog, but at the outset we just want to share a small disclaimer with you. We do apologize for the shaky footage. When we first videoed it, we didn't anticipate that it would become a vlog, and so 1,000 apologies for this, and we hope to get better with the future vlogs. It's something very close to us. We've always loved wildlife, the bush, nature, animals. And there's so many qualities and values we can imbibe from the animals, such as love, compassion, loyalty, strength, and courage. And of course, numerous examples and life lessons from nature itself. And I guess that's the circle of life, and just learning to coexist in unity and harmony. And we as South Africans have the principle of Ubuntu, I am because you are. And so this is something that nature teaches us to coexist in harmony and unity. And so we hope you enjoy the vlog. We've traveled to various places across Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Northern KwaZulu-Natal, and also Kenya, Nairobi National Park. We've done the Kruger National Park, the Greater Kruger, which is Klaserie Private Nature Reserve, and lots of other places. So we hope that you enjoy this vlog and stay tuned for more. We do apologize for the shaky footage once again, and we hope you enjoy this one, Pele Pod Squad. Take care. So guys, we are on our way to the Klaserie Private Nature Reserve in the world-renowned Greater Kruger, and we start our day typically at 6 a.m. in the morning, and it takes us about 7 hours to get to our destination. And so join us along for the journey. As long as you've got a good playlist and some great snacks, and of course good company, it's going to be an amazing trip. Very scenic routes. I would say beware of the potholes. But join us and let's have some fun. After an incredible journey, we finally made it to the Klaserie Private Nature Reserve. We pay a small conservation fee at the gate, and before you know it, you have already been greeted by incredible wildlife and nature at its best. Here we have majestic elephants in all their beauty and splendor. And that's one of the big 5 already checked off. Please do enjoy the footage. So we finally made it to the lodge and settled in. Here's a quick room tour, very spacious and comfortable with a great outdoor view and of course a great bathroom as well. And here's the living space, great bar, kitchen, dining area, lounge area and fireplace, and then it goes out into the deck and has a beautiful splash or plunge pool as you may call it, and in the distance a hide where you can bird watch. We ended the night off by chilling by the fire. I wake up every morning and pray and of course start my day with coffee, breakfast, and then we're off into the morning drive. Beautiful views in the morning, and just this is me on the deck enjoying the view. Now the footage that you're about to see is actually footage across the 3 days that we were at the reserve. And of course our first sighting is a hyena, and for me this is normally very rare, but on this trip specifically we saw lots of them, and so enjoy. Another rare sighting, the leopard, number 2 of the big 5. This was the first time I've seen a leopard in the wild. For those wondering what we eat while we're out in the bush, it is a self-catering facility, and for those of you who don't know, we are vegetarian, and so here's a snippet of what we ate throughout the week. Another rare sighting is seeing 2 of the big 5 together in one frame. That's the elephant and the rhino. Now the next few clips are footage from the waterhole outside our lodge, and there's actually a lot more action happening at the waterhole than there is on game drives these days. And so here's a beautiful giraffe drinking from the waterhole, and that is a very rare sighting. And here we have kudu, impala and zebra all meeting for a drink under the African sun.
Honestly, these elephants are really just showing off for us right now. Did you know elephant tusks are actually enlarged in size of teeth, which first appear when elephants are around 2 years old? And so their tusks continue to grow throughout their lives, and they're actually teeth. And so, yeah, this helps them to prise bark off trees and dig up roots, but also as a defense mechanism in fighting. It is made out of ivory, and so this actually endangers them. And so please stop rhino poaching and elephant poaching, and please protect our wildlife. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Lion King in real life. And here we have the beautiful omnivorous bird, the yellow-billed hornbill, also known as Zazu from the Lion King. And it's a common resident to southern Africa, and its huge yellow bill leaves everyone fascinated and obsessed with trying to get images of it. And so a beautiful bird. And we also have Pumbaa, the warthog, also coming for a drink at the waterhole. And so the Lion King, ladies and gentlemen, in real life. As the sun sets, it has been an incredible staycation safari getaway, and we couldn't have asked for more. We've sighted 4 of the big 5, and now we're being bid good nights and goodbye by hyenas right under the deck. We hope you've enjoyed this vlog, Pele Pod Squad, and we hope to see you at the next one. Thank you for watching Pele's in a Pod. And with that, remember to always be happy and keep smiling.